Comforting words, a guide to soothing phrases in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the world of comforting words. These are phrases that we use to provide support, sympathy, or reassurance to someone. Understanding these expressions is not just about learning new words, but also about cultivating empathy and connection in English. Comforting words are phrases or expressions used to offer empathy, support, or solace to someone who might be experiencing distress, sadness, or anxiety. They are an essential part of interpersonal communication, helping to build stronger, more empathetic relationships. In this section, we'll explore the importance of tone, facial expression, and the context in which these words are used. Here, we'll go through various examples of comforting words and phrases. We'll look at situations like comforting a friend who has had a bad day, offering support to someone who is ill, or providing reassurance in times of uncertainty. Phrases like, "I'm here for you," "It's going to be all right," and "I understand how you feel," are not just words but powerful tools for emotional connection. Timing and delivery are crucial when using comforting words. This section will focus on understanding the right moment to offer comfort and the appropriate tone to use. We'll also discuss cultural nuances in how comforting words are perceived and received in different contexts. To help you practice, we'll provide some common scenarios where comforting words can be used. You'll have the chance to think about what you would say in each situation, and we'll provide some suggested responses for comparison. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding the power and importance of comforting words in English. Remember, the key to using these phrases effectively lies in sincerity and empathy. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be able to offer comfort and support to others with ease. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.